Hi guys, we received this SYMA remote controller helicopter for repairing purposes. So let's take it out of the box, see what comes out, okay? Here we got the instructions for the helicopter, okay? So this is it. This is the helicopter. It's rescue design style, so it's nice. Got like a camouflage finish. Here you can charge it, okay? We got in here the charging cable, a little screwdriver, and some replacements for the wings, okay? It just has 4 AAA batteries, so I'm gonna go get them and try it on. So it's really nice, it's easy to use, and it's really entertaining, so I would recommend it. See ya!